Hey, good morning, traders. This is Uncle Mike in a review of our day trading room yesterday. I'm going to review again a couple calls. One, let's take the first one. The first one was a loser. What happened is we got a signal to get in right there. At the close of that candle, we were in. We were plus, I believe, a point and a half, point 3/4 area, maybe up to 2 points. Yesterday, our target was 3 points. The first target was 3 because of our stop was 2 3/4. Well, you can see that it came, it rolled, and we were stopped out right there. We moved our stop as it went up. We were stopped out for 2 points. So there we go. There's a -2. And actually, that was the it was the fifth call of the day. The first call we had a scale and trade. We were in three different, our third, a third, and we're in three contracts. Out break even, so we had a scratch. The second, we had another scale that showed up. We were in just the first third. We were out with 1 point. The third call that we had was a scale short at 917.5 at around 1013. It took us in for all three contracts. We were out 2/3 with 1 point and the other third with 2 points. And then at 1031 or so, we had a counter trend at 910.25. We were out for our point. So we were filling our money basket along the way, but then we had this stop out. And yes, folks, when you do trade, there are losses. Anyway, we were waiting and waiting. Actually, we were waiting for a trend line to come in and let us go short. It didn't in this area here, but then, lo and behold, we got another signal, and we went long. We went long there. In the room, there were two things for smaller account holders that went one contract. At worst, I was looking and saying, hey, we usually use the moving average mid-Bollinger Band for the stop, but this one was so close. We went right under this bottom Bollinger Band, and we just survived. But we survived it, and as you can see, we went up. We hit our target of 3 and then 5 points, and we were out. Now, in this, there were many of us that were going for a target of 920. We were just moving our stop up behind here. We get stopped out if you didn't take the target, and you got 2.5, 3 points on your runner instead of the 5. 5, you'd have had structured settlement if you'd have tried to ride this up, and we were looking for an initial target right here about 920. Actually, 919.5, we were looking to get out. So, anyway, we missed that. Got our 3 and 2 though on the runners, which was good. And then that was it for the swing trade. I was hoping we'd get a signal in this area to take it short. We never did. So that being the case, we didn't take it. One more signal. Don't like taking them that late in the day, but we did come through. We had a signal. We bought right there. We had a 2.25 point stop loss, and we had a 2-point target. Uncle Mike doesn't like trading after 3:30, and this brought us right into the 3:30 time frame. So we took our 2 points and we went home. So all in all, we had a 7-1 day yesterday, following, if you'd have traded 3 contracts, following the trade management, these trades as well as the scales, the counter trends, and so forth, you would have exited the day with $900 trading 3 contracts. Thanks for joining Uncle Mike. Please join me in my trade room if you'd like to come on in and trade with us. You can take a free trial. Go to the site www.teachtalktrade.com, and you too can come on in and have fun with us. Not saying we're not going to take losses. We do, but this is a realistic trade room, realistic expectations. I had 4 members that were done in the morning after the first couple of trades. They want to, their goal is 2 points. They're smaller account holders. They're building their account. I'm helping them build their account. And we like to net 2 points a day on one contract. That's $100. At the end of the week, it's $500. And that is a fantastic and a way to build an account so you can trade more contracts. Thank you for joining Uncle Mike. I appreciate you watching the videos. Please pass them along to any friends. And give me a call. Visit the website if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.